Morning, dear children. In the previous class, we have seen about the enquiry letters. Today, we are going to see about the letter of placement of orders. That is, we will order the things like electrical items, playthings, furniture, books, or stationaries, etc. Right? Before writing the letter, first you should read the question carefully. Then you should give a clear reason for writing the letter. That is for clarity purpose. Then write the cause or reason and effects of the topic under consideration. Then give meaningful suggestions and make a practical request. Don't write the letter as a passage. Divide into paragraphs. Then follow the correct format and order. Now, let us see the model of the letter. Before writing the letter, you should follow the same format. Then, for example, you are Ambika or Mohit, librarian, High Scope Public School, Half-Caste, Delhi. Write a letter to Jindal Publishers, Pradap Vihar, Delhi to place an order for English to Hindi dictionaries, illustrated children's encyclopedia, fiction books, etc. for your school library. Request them for a catalog, discount offered, mode of payment and time taken for delivery. Then you have to write the answer. Before writing the answer, once again you revise the format. First you write the premise, that is from the letter itself, question itself you are having the address High Scope Public School, Hakas, Delhi. Then today's date. Then to address, that is Jindal Publishers, Pradap Vihar, Delhi. Then subject, it's very easy, that is placement of order for books. Then salutation, sir. Then content, I would like to place an order for books in bulk for our school library. We require the following books. Then you draw a box containing the columns serial number, book name, quantity. Then you have to write the serial number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already the given items, 3 items are given, that is English to Hindi dictionaries, illustrated children's encyclopedia, then fiction books, then the column is etc. For etc. you have to add 2 or 3 books. Then first one, English to Hindi dictionaries, quantity 10. Second one, children's encyclopedia, illustrated 50 quantity. Then third one, fiction books, that is short stories in English and Hindi, quantity 100. Then fourth one, the extra items, GK books 70. Then last one, study material, class 10 for all subjects 50. Then I request you to kindly send us catalog first. Also send us the following information. Percentage of discount offered, then mode of payment, time taken for delivery. I would be grateful if you can send us the above mentioned information as soon as possible. Yours sincerely, Mohit, librarian. Then there is second letter, next letter, another one. You are Neeraj or Neeraja Shekhar, Principal, Vasant Public School, Pune. Your school has just started a music department. Write a letter to the manager of Melody House, Pune, wholesale supplier of musical instruments, placing an order for musical instruments for the school. Ask for a discount on the catalog prices. The answer, Vasant Public School, Pune. Then date, then the to address, that is the sales manager, Melody House, Pune. Then subject, placing order of musical instruments for school music department. Then salutation, Sir, our school has just started a music department. I would like to place order for musical instruments for the same. Kindly supply the following at the earliest. You choose your own musical items also. I will give the model of some musical instruments. First one, drum sets made by the company Bina, 3 pieces. Then second one, acoustic guitars made by the company Concord, 6 pieces. Third one, tabelas made by the company Somnath, 5 pairs. Then fourth one, harmoniums made by the company Paloma, 4 pieces. Then fifth one, sitars made by the company Canalier and Sons, 2 pieces. Then payment shall be made by DD as soon as the musical instruments are received. Please provide maximum discount on catalog prices that could be availed on the purchase of these musical instruments. Then last, closing, that is yours faithfully, the name of the person given in the letters, that is you are Neeraj or Neeraja Shekhar, principal. So you have to write the name is Neeraja Shekhar or Neeraj, principal. That's all. For the body of the letter, you will choose your own musical instruments. You can follow your own wordings also. This is the model letter for you. Then the last one, you are Nalini or Vishal, hostel warden, Zenith Public School, Kozhikalan. Write a letter to the sales manager, Bharat Electronics and Domestic Appliances Limited, New Delhi, placing an order for a few fans, microwave ovens and geysers that you wish to purchase for the hostel. Also, ask for the discount permissible on the purchase. Then first you write Zenith Public School, Kosikalan. Then date. Then the sales manager, Bharat Electronics and Domestic Appliances Limited, New Delhi. Then subject, placing order for electronic items. Then salutation, Sir, we wish to purchase the following electronic appliances for the school hostel. First one, ceiling fans, 10 pieces. Second one, micro ovens, 5 pieces. Then third one, geysers, 7 pieces. If you want, you can draw the box also. That is serial number, there are electrical items and then quantity. Then kindly supply the above mentioned appliances as soon as possible. All the appliances should be of high quality. Payment shall be made by check as soon as the goods are received. Please give maximum discount that you usually give to schools and colleges. Then, yours faithfully, Nalini, hostel warden. That's all, student. Then we are going to see about the distribution of marks for letter writing. That is for format 1 marks. That is sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject or heading, salutation, then closing. Then for content, that is for body of the letter, 4 marks. Then expression, that is for 3 marks. That is coherence, relevance of ideas, 1.5 marks. Then accuracy, appropriate words and correct spellings for 1.5 marks. Totally for letter writing, that is 8 marks. Then I'll give homework. You have to practice these letters. First one, write a letter to Lightweight Sports Co. Amarapalli, Theni, placing an order for a minimum of 4 sports items to be supplied to your school. That is ABC Matriculation School, Civil Lines, Pune. Sign yourself as Ravi or Ravina, Sports Secretary. Then another one letter. It is a very easy letter. Write a letter to a firm placing an order for the steel furniture for your office. You will practice these letters of your own. The steel furniture means that is office tables, office chairs, then files racks, etc. Sports item, you are already very familiar with that ones. Okay. Thank you, students.